Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Ramsey Custom Shop. As you guys know, I cut a lot of plasma parts out on the CNC plasma table, and one of the things I have to do a lot is weld a plasma cut edge, and I'm going to show you in this video the difference between TIG welding and MIG welding a plasma cut edge that has not been prepped. So what I'm going to do is prepare a couple of example coupons here of some plasma cut drops, and we're going to MIG weld and TIG weld both a ground clean edge and a dirty edge and compare the two, and you'll see why MIG welding really is the best, because when you're MIG welding over a plasma cut edge, you don't get really any impact to the weld. The weld looks just about as good. So here I am getting fit up here to do the first TIG welding, and this is the clean edge that I'm welding here, and I ground, you know, the plasma cut porosity and crap off of it, and it's welding really nicely. This is some 1/4 inch hot rolled steel here, and I'm using the Eastwood TIG 200, and I pretty much have it turned all the way up, foot pedal all the way down. It's kind of the max of that unit. And then you're gonna see we're gonna get the MIG welder fired up here, and this is the Miller Auto Set 212, and I've got it in the auto set range and set for 1/4 inch plate, and we're using 30 thousandths wire here. So really the focus is not, you know, a lot about the welding technique and all that, but more about, you know, how this is going to look when we get finished here. So there's the clean weld completed up, and now we're going to get it flipped around here and weld the dirty side. Okay, so here's a quick look at the difference between MIG and TIG. You can see this side was the side I had ground for MIG, and it's pretty clean, and the weld bead's pretty consistent. And there is the MIG weld bead, and you can see it's pretty clean as well. You know, it's, I mean, I didn't do as nice a job on the, you know, the quality of my weld, but in terms of like the cleanliness of it, it looks just about as good. Not a lot of difference there. And then you compare that to the TIG. So there is the dirty side of the TIG. Let me get you where you can see that. And I don't know if this is showing up, but there's a lot of you know, just sugary, crystallized looking, you know, funkiness there. And as I was welding it, there were little sparks and things coming off of it, which is normally what happens. And you compare that to this side, really clean, really shiny looking. You got good coloration on it for the most part.